Welcome to Dent's Garage. Today, we're going to try to fix this redneck paint job of mine with another redneck fix, but we'll see how it goes. And we're going to do a myth buster. We're going to try to pop out a dent using heat and canned air. Stand by. Got some 600 grit here, which is probably too heavy. And we're going to see if we can't sand the roughness off of here and then use the polisher. More than likely, I'm going to go straight through to the primer, which, if I'd been a smarter man, I'd use black primer, but I didn't. Since Ford uses gray, I use gray, but I'm painting black. Duh. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. I'll probably make it worse than it is, but whatever. All right, I got soapy water here. I'll move this aside. Just want to feel where it's roughest. It's roughest pretty much everywhere. More water. The water's warm because, well, it's cold out here. I really don't want my hands to get cold, but they will. I'm just lightly sanding this here. I don't really want to go through. I just want to get these tiger stripes out if I can. All right, she's all wet sanded down, and yeah, I went through it on a couple spots, but whatever. So let's see if we can make the bad thing worse. Let me grab the buffer. All right, I got the heavy cutting compound and the heavy cutting pad here. Probably take all this paint off before I'm done. Come on now, no, there's not much in you, but there. All right, I'll put some on here. Okay. Now, gotta plug this thing in. Works better with electricity. Okay. Stuff around here like this. And see what it is. I don't look good. I'm a little chalk block there, so I can stand up there a little bit. That looks like hell. I'm probably cutting right through the paint. I don't care. All right, let me finish this out and we'll see what it looks like. Well, I'm calling it a win-ish. So, I rubbed through it here and here and here, and I knew it would. I got it all polished down. It looks okay. So, you tell me what you think. What I think is this. It looked like it was a paint job that was done right 40 years ago. Now, well, after 40 years of weathering and stuff like that, it's just worn down. So, like all the other YouTubers that I watch, when they don't want to do something, they don't want to fix something right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, it's patina. That's right, patina. Bad paint or rust. Patina, that's what it is. That's patina. That's what I'm calling it. I call that a win. Let's see if we can fix this stupid dent. So I was putting the fender on after I painted it, and I'm trying to line it up. I gave it a little bit of push here and dent it right in. I'm like, dang it. Can't get to it from the inside unless you take the fender off. Well, I don't want to take the fender off. I will eventually, but right now let's see if we can't bust the myth. Let's see if this will pop out once we heat it up with this and cool it down with this. So let's see. Turn this on high. It's still there. I don't think it gets hot enough. Oh, what happened to my heat gun? So I guess I'll go buy another one. That's not hot enough. All right, so I've been to Horrible Freight, and I got another Warrior. $17. What can I say? Let's see. Let's see what we can do. All right. Now, this is on high. Should be quite a bit hotter than the other one. Oh, I don't want to hold it in one place because I don't want to burn the paint. Yeah. And heat this up good. Yeah, we'll get to the point where I can't touch it. All right. It's upside down again. All right, you in. Seemed to have come out some. I couldn't really see it, but it still feels pretty deep. Try it again. Let's say this whole thing may turn out to be a myth. I don't care what I've seen on YouTube or whatever. This just, we'll see. It would appear that I'm just wasting a can of that. I've seen people do this on YouTube, but it sure as heck ain't working on this one, let me tell you. Nope. I'm gonna direct the heat right in the middle where it is. I'm not wasting any more of that. Nope. Really hot here still. All right, let's one more time. All right, whole freaking panel here. Now. And I'm out. Dent's still there. I'm calling myth. I'm calling myth. That dent didn't come out any. Not any. Maybe on certain dents it worked, but it didn't work on this one. Let's just put it that way. I think this was a waste of time, but whatever. So we wasted a can of air. Found out that maybe it works on some, but it didn't work on this dent. It's probably not a big deal. I took it to car wash and they did a crappy job, but whatever. It's too cold for me to wash it. This, like I said, this turned out okay. It still looks like crap, but you know, like I said, everybody else, when they don't feel like putting the work in to do something right, they just call it patina. So that's what I'm calling it. I'm calling it patina for the win. Patina, baby. So if you want to see where I did this redneck paint job, just check it out right here. I think it's right here. Okay, and there's other videos you might like too. I don't know, man. Check it out. If you like what I'm doing, do me a favor, click that like button, and just torque that sucker right down, and I would definitely appreciate it. Until later, see ya. Okay, that's a video.